everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you two of my favorite go-to game day recipes. So the first one is my buffalo chicken dip, super easy, and it tastes like it cooked for hours when it really didn't. And my second recipe is my piggies in a blanket, which I'm sure you've had this before, but did you know how simple they were to make? So if either of those recipes sound appealing to you, I sure hope that you will stick around and watch the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit a big like for me. And I'd love to talk to you in the comment section down below. So let's start cooking.
You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out before I'm doing that.
The first recipe we're going to be working on today is the buffalo chicken dip. I found this recipe on Pinterest and I've been making it for a long time. I will be happy to leave the link in the description box down below for the recipe for those of you who would like to make this in your home. First, you just want to make sure you have 3 chicken breasts that are fully cooked. You can also use rotisserie chicken for this, whatever is more convenient for you. I had 3 chicken breasts already in the freezer that needed to go ahead and be cooked, so it worked out perfectly just to use what I already had. Just make sure you shred it up really well so it'll mix well in the dish.
Work things out so you don't let me go when I come real close. I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart.
Next, I'm going to start grating my cheese for my buffalo chicken dip. I did buy a larger block of the cheddar cheese and then the small block of the Munster cheese. Something about the Munster cheese just melts so well, and I love to incorporate that in the dip. And then the mild cheddar I like to use in the dip and then also on top.
Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la.
I ended up not having to use all the cheese because since I used both types of cheeses, I had plenty. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my pan heating on the stove, and I have a block of cream cheese here that I'm going to need to melt down. I will then be adding to this the hot sauce and then the cheese and the chicken after.
We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
So this is what the buffalo chicken dip looks like after it comes out of the oven. Next, I'm going to move on into making my dipping sauce for my piggies in a blanket. Please note that all of the recipes will be in the description box down below.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then.
Next, we're going to move on to making the piggies in a blanket. I love to cover my sheet pans with foil because it makes the mess less of a mess, if you know what I mean. I like for cleanup to be super simple, and so covering my pans with foil and then just throwing the foil away makes it a lot easier to clean up. All you need are these crescent rolls, and you just want to roll them out, and then you just take the little, I think they call them little Smokies, but they're like little sausages, and you just want to roll those up in the crescent rolls, place them on a pan, and then bake them per the container's directions. I do want to give you guys a little tip whenever you're doing your crescent rolls. I like to cut the crescent rolls in half lengthwise, and I just feel like this makes the proportion of meat to the bread more even. You can leave the crescent rolls whole, but I just feel like it makes it have like so much bread, and I just like it a lot better if it's cut in half like that. I just feel like it's a little more proportionate. So guys, this is pretty much it for this video. Short and sweet. Sometimes these to me are the best kinds of videos. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I do want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye y'all.
Wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the wind up.